This is the iPhone 14, not the Pro, just the normal one. This is actually my first iPhone in about 10 years, if you can believe that. I have been heavy on the Android bandwagon for a long time. I had a Google Pixel 2 XL. I had a Google Pixel 6. But actually, my Google Pixel 6, I did not enjoy. And recently I broke it. It fell out of my pocket when I was sitting, and it really wasn't that bad of a fall. And the device just stopped working. And Google would not cover it with their warranty or anything. So I decided, you know what, Google, I've had enough of you. I'm going to join the, the dark side with the iPhone. And here we are. But to make sure I don't face any similar drop situation, I want to have my iPhone protected. So I'm going to show you what that's about. By the way, none of this is sponsored, none of this is paid for. This is my honest, real-time reaction. But I thought I'd show you the packaging on this. It's kind of cool. Matte black everything. Depending on who you ask, that can mean a few different things. For some, it expresses a preference for that all consumer goods should offer a matte black experience. For us, it means we won't rest until the entire world is coated in matte black. How do we accomplish this? Simple. We destroy the sun. For the past 5 years, all of our money and like they literally, I mean, they wrote a novel here. This is a phenomenon known as colony collapse disorder. Yeah, I'm not going to get into this, but all that to say, very unique packaging. But let's get to the good stuff. Oh, and this is very nice. This is, okay, so again, I had no idea what to expect. I didn't order this, but I was thinking, you know, I might have a microfiber cloth somewhere, but I have to look for it. I haven't purchased one for years. So I was thinking maybe if I'm lucky they'll send me one, and they have. Nice. So yeah, and the packaging, I mean, this is premium. I mean, they certainly know how to package their products. Look at this, simple, minimal. It kind of reminds me of like what Apple and some other well-marketed companies are doing. Just minimal product. Shit post with us. Yeah. Okay, so their social media. They're obviously going for a young audience with this branding here. Purchase, we know you would. Delivered, you're welcome. Install. Okay, so, you know, I probably don't need this information for my case, but they also sell like, what's it called? They sell, why am I forgetting the name for it? They sell something that you can actually wrap around your device that's a bit more difficult to install. But here's the case itself. I mean, I feel like I just ordered a diamond ring or something. This is like a, I can't overstate like how nice this packaging is. Wow. Okay. Yeah, honestly feels nice. I mean, that was one of my concerns about ordering a phone case online. You can't actually feel it and test it out before it's delivered, but I knew that dbrand had good reviews, so I decided to give it a shot. Hopefully I can just pop this in here without going to that website to teach me how. I should be careful I don't mess up my new case or my new phone. I really don't want to pause this video and go to the website, so hopefully we can just, yeah, there it is. It's a tight fit, but that's obviously what you want. You want it to be tight, you want it to be premium, and this feels great. Yeah, I was like cautious to even like bring this phone out of the house without a case after my last one dropped and got destroyed. Shout out to Google for making a lousy Google Pixel 6. But that's a rant for another day. I have now joined the iPhone universe. And it's certainly an adjustment when you switch from Android to iOS. It's taken me a couple weeks to kind of get used to. But You're not concerned about that. You're probably concerned about the case. Beautiful symmetrical look to it. Solid grip. I mean, I'm telling you guys, like, I was worried, like, taking photos and stuff with my phone because I didn't want to drop it, but now I have no concerns. Like, this actually feels great. Yeah, this feels great. The back is more smooth. This side is more grippy, and the back is just smooth. So, yeah, that's it. Oh, and also, I guess they package this separately. I mean, this is like a lot of packaging for, wait, what's this? Did I order this? What is this? Or does this come with your, did they like know I was a YouTuber and send me extra stuff? No, I mean, I didn't tell them any of that, so. Okay, we got a couple of, couple of stickers, kind of cool. Oh, and yeah, it's a 2-pack. I forgot about that. It's a 2-pack. Okay, so if I obviously break one of these, I'll have another one. I honestly forgot I ordered 2. But yeah, I think 2 is just the standard. Okay. So this part, I want to actually like take my time with because I don't want to have fingerprints on once I've installed that. And actually, I haven't done one of these for a while, so I probably will stop the video and go to dbrand how and just watch so I make sure I'm like properly using that and discovering whatever this is. Kind of cool. So maybe I'll just pause the video and give you an idea of what it looks like once that is on it. Okay, see you soon. Well, I figured out what this is, YouTube. This is actually a squeegee. This is really cool. So if there's little bubbles, and hopefully this will work. I've never done this before, but you basically, once you got that on properly, you should be able to just like squeegee those out. And just like that, I'm protected. I mean, you can barely see it anymore, but it's on there, just like that. But hey, it's pretty cool. They gave you a little squeegee. They gave you a protective, what am I saying? A microfiber cloth. And they gave you some interesting packaging as well. So all considered, I'd say if you are someone who was looking at getting a dbrand case or protector, they certainly have done a good job with it.